Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to be going over a version of the minor scale that starts on the A string, or the root's on the fifth string. Now, this is a pretty cool scale that you can use for lead guitar playing. And let's start off in this scenario. We're going to start off with the D minor scale. But of course, you can take this scale, this shape, and move it up and down the fretboard. So in this scenario, we'll start with the D as being the root. So we'll start off with the root note being that D on the fifth string, fifth fret with the little finger. Play that note. Then go ahead to the fourth string, second fret with your index finger. Play that note. Then on the fourth string, third fret with your middle finger. Play that note. Then with your fourth string, fifth fret, with your little finger, play that note. Then on the third string, with your index finger on the second fret, play that note. Then on the third string, with your middle finger on the third fret, play that note. Then on the third string with your little finger on the fifth fret, go ahead and play that note. And then move on down to the second string, third fret with your index finger and play that note. Then on the second string, the fifth fret with your ring finger, play that note. Then on the second string, sixth fret with your little finger, play that note. Then on the first string, third fret with your index finger, play that note. Then on the first string with the fifth fret using your ring finger, play that note. Then on the first string, sixth fret with your little finger, play that note. Then slide your hand up and put your index finger on the first string, eighth fret, and play that note. And then just end it on the root note there. Since we're playing a D minor scale, we're going to end it on the D, which is on the 10th fret, first string. We'll play that with a ring finger. So practice that pattern and practice so it sounds real clean and real smooth. All right, again, hey, it's Mr. G. Hope you enjoyed that minor scale with the root being on the fifth string. Again, keep on jamming.